Hi, good afternoon, I'm Mingwei, and this is my art piece today. Well, the theme is the end of the world, but you might be curious as to why there is a collage of drawings at the back, in which some of them are actually new art that I created especially for this collage. I just pretend it's my own art, you see. Like for example, all crabs covered. This one is new, this one is semi-new, new. Yeah. You can't really tell, yeah, but some of them are abandoned sketches for the drawing today. So essentially, the theme end of the world for me means actually I can't make the deadline in time. I can't submit this piece in time. What should I do? So you might be wondering what are these two characters doing here. Right, so let me introduce. This is Isayu Sakuya. Both of them are characters from Toho Project. Some game I like. Yeah. So you really don't know who the characters exactly are. You need to know what their abilities are. Yeah, right. For Sakuya, her ability is to be able to stop time, and this is French Scarlet. Yeah. So her ability is the ability to destroy anything within sight. So yeah, you might be wondering why I want to include a character who can stop time and a character to destroy everything in my drawing. Well, it's actually very simple. I really wish to stop time so that I have more time to finish my drawing. And as for Fendra, I wish I can just destroy everything.
Destroy what?
Everything. Yeah, I mean, the whole process is actually quite stressful. I am actually not allowed to draw at home, you see. My parents are against me drawing, so I draw during breaks in school. Yeah. And it is really pressurizing at times, especially on Friday. Yeah. I really just wish everything would just blank out, but that's really the escapist way of doing things. Hence, Vendra there. There's a lot of motifs on time inside this drawing if you haven't found out already, although I think that most of them are covered, sadly. But the most obvious one is the clock the time measuring assessments on Vendra's. Her wings are actually just crystals, but here you can see a bell, an obelisk, an hourglass, and a stop, and a pocket watch. So these are all different time measuring instruments during different periods of time. Yeah. And then that is Sakuya's Munadiya, which grants her the ability to stop time. Yeah. And basically the drawings at the back is a mixed representation of all my abandoned ideas, all my previous works in progress that I never quite finished, and my old drawings and the sketches that I did in the process of making this drawing. So in a sense, that is aka history that I don't want people to see. Yeah. And the cracks just represents the fact that I have abandoned them completely. Yeah. Most of these drawings are not actually finished. Yeah. I think that's all right. Yeah, thank you.
You will let the judges comment on your work.
So, this is the cover, right? And they're all your original characters. Do you design them?
Not really. I did redesign them. They are all existing characters in a way.
For game?
Yeah, games of sorts. And doujins.
I see. I see that you didn't include any characters like. Can I ask why?
I like drawing girls.
Okay.
The characters are all girls, actually. Yeah, all girls.
I think it's nice. I mean, the color contrast is nice, but I would really like to see your original work. Yeah, but well, the composition is good. I think the way you do the collage is good too. I like your idea. I think it's clever the way you present it and then say that you don't have time. That's why you use on that to, you know.
No, there are some of them are really new art and sketches that I did. Yeah, like for example, this one. There's quite a few that I really just did it on the spot and then abandoned it in my computer now.
Well, you should put it. You shouldn't use already existing. I mean, you should use your own character. Be proud of your own character.
I don't have any. original character. My forte is in drawing doujinshi. So yeah, it's my entire life. Yeah, that's one thing.
Okay. Well, you go first. I need to think of it.
Okay, my first impression is that you have no problem with your drawing skills. It's in fact very, very well done.
Thank you.
In terms of even the coloring as well, I think it's reached a certain professional standard. The only thing I'm concerned about is the storytelling part of it. Because when you're narrating, right, if you're not narrating to a group of people, nobody knows the story, which is about the, ability to stop time, and the other girl is having this destroying everything. I would suggest that actually, with all the images placed on background, right, you can actually show them that characters are, they stop the time, and then the other girl is doing all the destroying. Yeah, but currently I don't see it because most of it is nice big close up of the character. So you might want to consider that, like you really illustrate that point across. Huh?
Right. I think I assumed, which is not good. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think you have to go beyond the drawing pretty pictures because it's.
I should be able to tell
End of
story.
the day, you should be able to tell a story, right? Even if it's without words, people looking at the images based in the background, right, they could kind of conjure out what they are trying to do. Right? I think that's the main concern.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
But yeah, it's very nice to.
Oh, thank you.
Switching, anything to say? Yes, go ahead.
Well, the same thing,
All this you draw on your own, is it?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's all you drawn it lah. It's not like you.
Yeah, I hand drawn everything.
I would prefer to see your original drawing, like those in the background. I think I actually prefer those more.
What if I tell you those are bad?
Yeah, so I really prefer those in the background, like in terms of drawing.
Then when I go back, I'll try to design an original.
Yeah, draw more original stuff.
Yeah.